Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Car Place in Yeovil, and I'm going to show around this stylish Ford Focus. This vehicle comes with 19-inch alloy wheels, has tinted rear windows, rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's leather interior with heated front seats. The touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, cruise control with speed limiter. The car's done less than 16,500 miles. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's using our click and collect service, our home delivery service, or just arranging an appointment to come and view the vehicle. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.